Guys, hold on. Before we start today's video, I want to thank all of you guys who made orders at the merch shop at the end of last week's video. I'm off to the post office to stick one of these out with all the other orders, and one of those lucky orders is going to have this bad boy inside. So I just want to say thank you guys. We're completely sold out. Now, with all of that said, let's continue with the video. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. In the last episode on the Essen Garage, we installed a new shutter, and I told you we're going to be chopping, cutting and knocking down some bricks. Well, in this episode we're going to start that process. Over there I've got some stuff that I've been eager to get cut into, like what I just did there, cut into. We're going to cut into that, get that installed. We're going to be installing some bits because we're going to be powder coating here on the channel, and that's something that I always wanted to do. Let's see how it goes. Let's roll on episode 3 on the Essen Garage.
We love the Beamers, the Benz, the Porsches. All of my fans, I know they're supporting. Style with nothing but look at us now. Whoever's supporting, I'm making you proud. Whoever's supporting, I'm making you proud. Salvage Nation, look at the squad. We're up in the foreign line, look at the car. Look at the car.
Yeah, man! Guys, it's a bit much. Funky, innit? Don't worry. See, guys, he's freaked out by it. Yeah. Don't worry. Guys, have a look behind me. You can see we've opened up that wall now. There's still a bit of work to do there, but guys, come on, let me show you what I've been actually doing. It's actually quite crazy. Check it out. So here's my PPE. I had the goggles, the mask, because we're dealing with this sort of stuff. And have a look. These are a set of alloys from a build that I'm doing. By the time you see this video, I'm assuming you would have already seen how these come out. But I'm stripping the paint, as you can see, it's all coming off. Stripping the paint down, we're gonna fix these alloys. They're very badly curbed. Fix these, and I'm gonna be powder coating these, and that is gonna be my powder coating tank. My wheel stripping tank, I should say. So this is a stripping tank. The other half here is gonna be filled with water. So in a minute, I'm gonna take them out, put them in there, but you're gonna have to see all of that well, once again, you would have seen all of that already because that video is coming out before this one. What I'm gonna do now is start to clear out all of this junk and actually start to get this place looking like a garage. Alright guys, so it's quite a lot of hours later. Have a look at that mess, have a look at all of this mess, but have a look inside this space. I've got a TV and oh my God, Liverpool are losing. Come on man, you can't be losing after you just bashed Man United 7-0. But anyway, I don't want to get a copyright, so leave that for now. Have a look here. I've got a powder coat oven, I've got an acid bath, and there's still tons more stuff to put in. I did have a flooring company that was going to come down and lay some resin floors. However, they've gone completely cold on me, so I'm just going to come up with a new plan for the floor. But I'm going to have I'm looking for a carpenter to come in. I want to have like a powder coating booth built in. We're going to have some deckings, some shelvings on the top right there. We're going to have a table, desk, workspace right here. On the back, I don't know what I'm going to put here yet. This is a ton of Abath parts. If anyone's looking for Abath parts, I have got an partial airbag here. I've got a driver's airbag, steering wheel, passenger airbag, and passenger dash. I've got 2 front Abath seats right there. I've got one headlight, 2 rear lights. I've got some Kia Sportage parts here. I've got a hybrid battery down in there as well. I've got there's just some miscellaneous parts. So if anyone needs any Kia Sportage parts or Abath parts, do let me know. But as I was saying, on the back wall, I don't know, we're going to be extending it that way. So I don't know what I'm going to put here. But guys, this is a landmark moment, man. We've got space. I've actually got a garage now. So guys, there you have it. It's been a long old day. I've actually got a headache, but I'm still happy because as you can see, we actually have a garage. We've got a space where I can actually get some cars in, actually set some stuff up. We're going to be moving a ton of tools in and actually get to work. That's what I want to do. I want to get to work. I want to bring you guys better content and I want to do some groundbreaking things. And one of those things that I'm doing is, as you can see, I've got the oven, it's all set. I've got one of the alloys in there baking, but by the time you see this video, you would have already seen how those alloys have come out. And I hope that makes sense because at the moment it's just scrambling my brain. But anyway, I said to you earlier, we had a flooring company who reached out and said that they were going to come out and do the floor, but they just went cold on me, so I'm not going to waste any more time. We're going to keep it moving. I had a tool company that was like, yeah, Salvage Nation, you're having a garage, we're going to send you out some tools. They never arrived, but you know what, like I said, again, we keep it moving. And speaking of keeping it moving, I've got a ton of work to do on these alloys, but this is where we're going to end this episode. It's been a major episode for the channel. We've done a lot of work, and as you can see, we've actually got a clear space. One of the things that I need to do, I need to get some new lighting. We're going to be gutting out all of these old lights, and I'm going to be bringing you some better lighting because everything is going to be geared around the channel in this space, and that's what I wanted. So if you want to see how we get on with that, stay tuned. Keep it locked in, subscribe to the channel, press the like, you know what to do. And I'll see you sometime in the future where I've got another update. So like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that, why don't you check out one of my previous videos on the left? There's plenty in the playlist. And if you want to know more about the Salvage game, why don't you become a member of Salvage Nation, and I'll be there to guide you along the way. And don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram if you want to get an inside scoop before YouTube.